Hi there. This flow is going to be slow, so you can take your time and enjoy the stretch. Think of it like you're moving through honey. No rush. You ready? Let's go.
Meet me in standing, with your hands together at heart center, eyes closed. Press your weight down evenly through both feet and stand tall through the crown of your head. Begin by deepening your breath in and out through your nose. Then gently blink your eyes open. Moving slow, reach your arms overhead, find mountain pose. Then bend your elbows open and lift your heart up for a mini back bend. Slow and fluid inhale to come back to your mountain pose. Exhale to forward fold, hinge at your hips, and swan dive all the way down. Next is a halfway lift. Find a flat back, just sliding your hands up your shins and lengthening your spine. And then crouch and curl, squat down into a tiny little ball, hold, and breathe. As we practice our slow flow today, I want you to focus less on the actual postures themselves. Instead, be in the transition. Breathe through the transition. With your movements so fluid, it's as if you are moving underwater. This time, find halfway lift, lengthen your spine. And exhale to fold and step your left foot back. Take your time as you settle in. Lower your back knee down. Prop your hands on fingertips and press your heart forward. We'll hold each of these next poses for about 3 breaths each, giving you time to settle in, to breathe, and soften. Next is Hanumanasana prep. Shift your hips back, straightening out your right leg, and use your hands to support you. Next, move into a low lunge. Bend your right knee, lift your back knee up off the mat, but keep your fingertips down as you press your heart forward. Even within the intensity and the masculine properties of these poses, you can maintain your soft, your grace, your fluid and calm breath. Next, straighten out your right leg, shift your hips back, and fold over your right leg, creating space and length with every breath, and calm and grace in your face. Then bend your right knee, step your left foot forward, find halfway lift, big inhale. Exhale to fold, step your right foot back, lower your right knee down, sink into your hips as you press your heart forward. Next is Hanumanasana prep. Shift your hips back, straighten out your left leg, creating length with each inhale. Then Then slowly walk your hands forward, bending your left knee, lift your right knee up off the mat, and sink into your hips as you press your heart forward, lengthening from the crown of your head through your back heel. Then work on straightening out your left leg and fold forehead to knee. Practicing your calm within the chaos, the intensity of these poses. And let's go one breath, one movement, but remember, slow and fluid. Bend your left knee, step your right foot forward, find halfway lift as you inhale. Then exhale to fold and step your left foot back. Lower your back knee down, sink into your hips. Inhale as you press your heart forward. Exhale as you shift your hips back, straightening out your right leg for Hanumanasana prep. As you inhale, you'll bend your right knee, coming forward into your low lunge. Back knee lifts up off the mat. Can you move any slower? Then exhale to shift your hips back, straightening out your right leg. Adding on, inhale to crescent lunge. Rise up, arms up. Then bend your elbows open for a mini back bend. Then as you inhale, bring your hands together at heart center, as if you are drawing that energy towards you. Exhale as you open up into warrior two, nice and slow. Breathe here and settle in as you stay soft through your hands. So with fluid, gentle arms, find reverse warrior, reach your right arm high. Then to extended side angle, reaching your right arm down. Know that you can modify forearm to your thigh, reach your left arm high, and take an inhale as you stretch through your arms. Exhale as you lower your left hand down to your mat, pivot off your back heel, and reach your right arm high for a dragonfly. Big breath in. Breathe out, lower your right hand down, step your back foot forward, find halfway lift. Inhale, slow and fluid. Exhale to fold, step your right foot back, lower your right knee down, and press your chest forward as you inhale into your low crescent moon. Exhale as you shift your hips back, straightening out your left leg. Next is your low lunge. Inhaling as you come forward, lift your back knee up, then straighten out your left leg. Adding on from here, inhale as you rise up into your crescent lunge. And as you exhale, mini back bend. Bend your elbows open through your chest. Inhale to bring your hands together at heart center, drawing that energy in. And as you exhale, open up into warrior two, and we'll take a moment to just hold, settle in, breathe. How can you soften? With slow, fluid arms, as you inhale, reach your left arm high for reverse warrior. Then exhale to extended side angle, left arm down, right arm high. As you inhale, stretch through your arms. Exhale to lower your right hand down, pivot your back heel up, and reach your left arm high for a dragonfly. Inhale as you lengthen into the pose. Exhale to lower your left hand down, step your back foot forward, find halfway lift as you inhale. Exhale, just forward fold. As you inhale, rise up into your mountain pose. Then bring your hands together at heart center. Close your eyes and feel your body. And I challenge you to embrace the soft, to celebrate the warmth, the gentle, the fluid, to trust your intuition and your feelings on and off your mat. Namaste.
It's good to embrace the slow. I think I'll take that intention with me through the rest of my day today. And I invite you to do the same. I also invite you to join me for my 21-day yoga challenge. Just click the link in the description below to learn more or scan this QR code. See you there.